finished look. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching.
Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face, and this has been my go-to moisturizer. I've been loving it. I'm already almost out of it, and I'm so sad. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my face and neck. And now I'm taking my Brow Bar eyebrow kit, and I just like to brush my eyebrows first before I put anything on them. My eyebrows are pretty crazy right now, but yeah, I really love the brand Brow Bar. Just makes your eyebrows amazing. Now taking the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, beautiful shades there. I'm gonna start by taking the orange shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack that on all over my eyelid. And it's okay if it looks a little messy, because at the end you're gonna blend everything out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over. Don't mind my hair, guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that brown, like chocolate shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that into my outer corner and just blending that towards like the center of my eye. Now taking the black shade there, I'm just gonna go ahead and darken that up, and I'm dancing Suavemente. Of course, when that song comes on, I just go crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take that shade and blend, and now I'm cutting my crease. And for that, I am just using a concealer that I absolutely love. And yeah, I'm just using a flat shader brush to go ahead and to achieve that look. And now taking my NYX glitter glue, I'm just packing that on all over my crease area there. And now taking the Beauty Creations loose glitter, taking this beautiful glitter. Oh my goodness, guys, it is so beautiful in person. I just can't even describe how beautiful it is. But yeah, I just felt like doing a colorful look today. So now I'm taking my Frankie Rose. This is a primer, and it's like a gel consistency, but it works so good. And now taking my Dose of Colors 115 Light Medium Foundation, I'm just applying it, and I usually use a beauty blender, but today I'm just using a brush because my beauty blender is dirty. And now taking my Dose of Colors concealer, I like to apply that underneath my eye to brighten up my under eye area. And I love to set it with the Airspun, but it just gets all over the place. It bugs me. Now using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is one of my favorite eyeliners, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give myself a dramatic like wing look. And now I'm gonna be taking that same black shade from the Violet Voss palette, and I'm gonna put that under my lash line and just to smoke that out and make it look more dramatic. Taking my L'Oreal powder, it's like a darker shade, and I like to use it as a bronzer. And now I'm applying my blush, and I will go ahead and make sure I write it all down below because I forgot the name of it. And the Steve Laurent highlighter is the jelly highlighter. It's amazing and so pigmented. Prosecco Please is what the shade is, and I like to apply that onto my cheekbones there. So now using my Better Than Sex mascara, one of my favorite mascaras, I like to apply before my lashes. And these are the 3D mink hair lashes. And now using the Morphe lip liners. You guys know I love Morphe, and I love their lip liners so dang much. They're amazing and so pigmented, so affordable. My favorite. So I'm using the shade Coffee and Kissy. And now taking my Velvet Teddy matte lipstick, just adding that, and now spraying my face so it can lock everything in. And yeah, I'm pretty much done with this look. I just wanted something, you know, super fast, easy, fun, cute, just summer vibes, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. And yeah, thank you guys for your support, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful, gorgeous, dramatic / summer look using loose glitters. Alright guys, that is it.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this fun summer look. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Also, I am doing a giveaway on my Instagram page. So the winner I'm choosing the winner on May 31st, which is this Sunday. So all you have to do is follow Glambyaprilrenee, and the instructions are ahead on this picture here. So don't forget to look into that, and thank you guys again for watching this video. Have a wonderful and blessed day.